All right, we are here in Syracuse, Indiana, here with Sherry Johnson. We just got done painting her house for her, and I just had a couple questions for you, Sherry. First question is, how was your experience with Matthew's painting and the painters who were in your home?
Oh my goodness. I am so excited about them. I have fallen in love with them, and they did the best job and are so friendly.
Oh, thank you. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate us and why?
12 or more. Uh, they just do everything so professionally, and yet they're friendly, and they have a good time while they're here visiting but working at the same time. And it's just amazing. I'm
Thank you.
so glad that I got them.
Oh, thank you. And would you refer us to family and friends?
Oh, absolutely.
Great, thank you. Last question, did we do everything we said we would do?
Yes, you did.
Okay, great.
And more.
Well, thank you so much, Sherry. It's truly been a pleasure painting for you, and we hope to come back for any future projects.
Okay, great. Thank you. You would be welcome.